Strengthening the EIFS Wall Assembly with Heavy Mesh, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Exterior Insulation and Finish Systems EIFS have transformed the construction industry by offering an energy-efficient, cost-effective and visually appealing alternative to conventional building methods. A vital element that contributes to the robustness and longevity of EIFS is the utilization of fiberglass mesh. When it comes to high traffic areas and ground floors, we recommend employing a 20-ounce heavy mesh for added reinforcement. This comprehensive guide explores the intricate aspects of the exterior insulation and finish system wall assembly, with a specific focus on the significance of heavy mesh. The significance of heavy mesh in an EIFS wall assembly. Incorporating heavy mesh into EIFS wall assembly holds immense importance for various reasons. Primarily, it bolsters the system's strength and durability, rendering it more resistant to impacts and potential damage. This attribute proves especially critical in areas experiencing heavy foot traffic or ground-level sites where impact risks are elevated. Additionally, the presence of heavy mesh acts as an additional layer of reinforcement beneath the standard mesh, elevating overall integrity within the exterior insulation and finish system wall assembly. EIFS Wall Assembly, a step-by-step guide. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to assemble an EIFS wall. 1. The Liquid Moisture Barrier Flashing System. This system acts as the first line of defense against air, moisture, and weather. It is installed at all wall openings to ensure protection. 2. The Liquid Moisture Barrier Air and Water Resistive Barrier Coating. This coating serves as a barrier against air and water, providing an additional layer of protection. 3. Adhesive, drainage medium. This layer plays a crucial role in adhering the insulation to the wall while facilitating effective moisture drainage. 4. Pre-based starter board. Acting as the foundation for insulation, this board provides stability and drainage for the entire system. 5. EPS continuous insulation. The insulation layer ensures thermal resistance by minimizing heat transfer and enhancing energy efficiency. 6. Base coat. The base coat is where a heavy mesh is embedded within the system, providing structural reinforcement. 7. Reinforcing mesh. Standard mesh is installed over the base coat and heavy mesh to offer additional strength and support. 8. Finish. The final layer not only enhances the appearance of the wall but also adds another level of protection against external elements. In conclusion, incorporating heavy mesh into an EIFS wall assembly significantly enhances its durability and strength, making it a suitable choice for high traffic areas and ground floors. By comprehending the functions of each component within the exterior insulation and finish system wall assembly, professionals can ensure optimal performance and longevity of the system. Visit our website at eifsrepair.info to read the full article, including some frequently asked questions and answers. Hit the like button for me, so we can push this video out to more people on YouTube. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you.